On to our chief meteorologist, Mike Nelson. Scary out there, Mike. So back to the wind for tomorrow. Tie everything that's tieable down right now.
Absolutely. You have a little break tonight and early tomorrow morning, at least in the I-25 corridor, but it's a pretty short window tomorrow. By 9 a.m., things are going to really start to go. Here's where the front is now, pushing into the Wasatch Mountains in Utah. Heavy snow is expected there. In advance of it, we have a lot of widening advisories. In fact, winter weather advisories, northern and central mountains for up to a half a foot of snow, winter storm warnings for up to a foot of snow down in the San Juans, and a combined high wind warning and fire weather warning on the plains. All the areas in gold under both of those warnings for tomorrow. The winter weather advisory is off to the west. We probably won't see more than just a brief little rain shower or a flurry out of this at lower elevations. But as this comes through, damaging winds expected tomorrow, mainly between 9 a.m. and about 3 p.m. for the I-25 corridor, and then moving out on the eastern plains until about 6 p.m. Batten down all of those holiday decorations, especially those big inflatable Santas and snowmen. They'll have a rough day. Even if they're not inflated, make sure that they are very secured. And wildfires, if they develop tomorrow, will spread very, very fast on the eastern plains. Lots of blowing dirt and dust, poor visibility, difficult driving conditions, especially for high-profile vehicles. I'll break it down hour by hour coming up in just a few minutes.
And I have a polar bear that needs deflating on the front lawn. Thank you, Mike. You can get your weather forecast 24/7 on our free Denver 7 Plus app, available to download now for your streaming device, or you can find this information on thedenverchannel.com.